Green screens used to be a mysterious technology only done in Hollywood, but now, with the power of Davinci Resolve, anyone can achieve this awesome effect. Let's find out how. So there's multiple ways to make a green screen in Davinci Resolve, but I'm going to show you guys what I think is the best and most easy way to do it. So first you want to have your background clip, and then you want to have your clip with the green screen. You can go ahead and trim it to your desired length. Now this step is the most important. You're going to want to come over here and make sure that this is set to Open FX Overlay. Now that you have that, you can go ahead and go into Effects and find 3D Keyer. Place that on the clip with the green screen. Now go over to your Inspector tab, hit Effects, and then you're going to click and draw and get all the stuff you want to remove. Once you let go, it's going to remove the background. But you can see there's still some green around the edge. What you can do is turn the despill up. That's going to remove and soften the edge. And there you go, you're done. If you guys like this video, drop a like and subscribe for more. Thanks.